This is a preview of 4 bore, 53cc, 2 kilowatts, 508mm 20-inch bar. Pull the choke out, just get that pumping. Make sure you turn on. Couple thumbs, put that choke back in. It'll start. Now, a lot of people say I'm funny. They flood, they don't. As you can see, I have started. And no worries. Now it needs to be warmed up before you use it, so that 2-stroke can run it through the head and the piston. So they will run. 114 decibel, pretty power, 20-inch bar, little ordinate. And I forgot to tighten the chain. And I will do that before I do anything. Steer up. Welcome back. I got to try and change nicely. Now the second maintenance. Cut's beautiful. 4 bore. $280, so that's $279, 40-to-1 petrol ratio. Pretty good. Starts up. I reckon you'll love it.
Can you cut this, son?
Oh, I'll cut that up for you. For Rick's sake. Alright, catch you later, guys.
Yeah, see ya.
Alright, this is a bonus feature. I'm going to don't forget wear safety glasses. Safety off. That should be caked. Beautiful. I'm going to chop that as well. Cut that off, chop that off, make it all neat. Might as well. That's it.